Seasonal Insight. This video will show you how to use our seasonal spread scanner. There'll be further videos to show you how we internally use the spread scanner for the starting point of all our trades. Okay, this is the first page you'll see when you go to the spread scanner. Here we can select the commodity. We'll go through an example. Let's select crude. Then we can select what months, each month, the contract available from what you have on the left-hand side, the commodity you choose. In this instance, we'll just we'll select 2 months. Select January and January. How long do we want to be in the trade? Let's go a minimum of 5 days, maximum of 20 days. Let's go a success rate of 75%. Let's look back and go as far back as 15 years. We'll go 10 years. Okay, this is the output of the spread scanner for crude. So what this is saying, if we have a look at the first trade that it's selected, it's saying if you open the trade on the 14th of January this year and then close it on the 22nd of January, for that period in the previous 10 years, the average profit has been $350. The average loss is $180. Maximum uptick is 1,510. The largest downtick is minus 210. Now, one of the things we've noticed once we've started using this internally is there'll be 1 or 2 years that'll have a big impact on either your average loss or your average gain. We've built in the ability to remove large outlying years. So if we have a look here, 2014, it's a negative 0.15 loss. If we go and take that out of the calculations, 2014, the average loss has gone from negative $180 down to $120. We can put that back. Okay, over to the right here, you can see the individual years' gains. Now, one of the things we've built into this is the ability to track this trade as it's going through each year and to save the trade and view it as it goes through. So if we want to have a look at the chart, we hit the chart button there. This is last year's trade. And we can also go back and look at each individual year prior to that, just to see how it behaves. So one of the things we can do is also we can save this trade. So we can track it. Say from the 14th of January, we can track this trade to see, is it doing what it's done previously? To do that, up on the top left hand side there's this little banner. If you bookmark this trade and close it, then if we go back up to the scanners, you can see it's saved trades. Okay, this very bottom trade here, this is the one that I've saved. What you can see here is other trades that we're looking at to put on later on in this month, pretty much starting from the 8th of the 1st. We'll keep a note of those trades. These are future scan. The top 3 are future scanners. We also have a future scanner, the same algorithm, but it doesn't do the spread calculation, and the rest are all spread scans. So if we have a look at this trade here, the coffee future scanner trade, we can have a look at that and see how it's performing. So there we go. This is that trade live day to day, how it's going. If we look at 2014, these gaps are where there's been no trading during that period. We haven't closed the gaps with the algorithm. If you want to remove the trade from your save trades thing, you just collect the trade there, top left hand where the bookmark is, remove the bookmark, go back up here to your save trades, and that trade has now disappeared. So that's it. That's some of the functionality of our seasonal spread scanner. There will be further videos coming ahead how we use the spread scanner. We use the spread scanner as a starting point for our trade. We also look at the seasonal spread charts that are available on the website. We also look at the COT data as a basis of whether we look at to getting into a trade or whether we don't worry. There's that many trades available. We are looking for more so a reason not to get into a trade than to get into a trade. That's it. Look forward to talking to you on further videos.